Speak as much as possible. Raise your hand to speak at presentations, wherever. So learn from your own mistakes and learn from your own self, and it's better than any other tool that you can possibly use. Speak as much as possible. Raise your hand to speak at presentations, wherever. Again, it's about being mindful and about listening to yourself in your own head. जब आप बोलते हो ना, आपको अपने आप को सुनो. Like I am listening to myself. I'm being very mindful and I'm listening to myself. And now I know. So, for example, when I speak like this and when I speak like this, I can make out the difference because I'm mindfully listening to myself. Behavioral skill is about being mindful and understanding your own self. And you have to keep improving upon that. So, you can record yourself, you can do all of these tools. But it is about being so mindful and learning from your own self and learning from listening to yourself, that if you perfect the art of that, you will just keep getting better. Because now every time I speak, I am noting, did I do something right? Did I do something wrong? I could have done this better. I continuously look at myself also. Am I straight? Am I not straight? Right? So you have to listen to yourself and you have to watch yourself, and that will teach you more than anything else. And it's an art. You just have to listen to yourself. Am I sounding good? Or am I not sounding good? But sometimes we don't. We just speak. We are so in that situation. We are so consumed by that situation, so overwhelmed by the person in front of us that we are not mindful of our own presence. But if you just pause, breathe, and become mindful of your own self, it will solve a lot of your problems. You just become more confident. You'll become more aware. You listen to your own breath. You will breathe better. So just calm down and listen to yourself and study yourself. When I finish a workshop, I quickly note down what I could have done better. So when you come out of a meeting, what could I have done better? Just think about it. Did I sound very childish? Did I sound very standoffish? Did I sound very, it's a learning, immediate learning. Next time I will not make this mistake. But if you don't do that, then you will continue to make that mistake. So learn from your own mistakes and learn from your own self, and it's better than any other tool that you can possibly use. But be mindful.